I think this video is going to be one of the best videos you will find online regarding this topic. Like, most people tell you different things about learning Forex. They say you should get a mentor, you should practice, you should do different, you should back test. But the thing is, I have not heard anybody on YouTube talking about this. And this might be a very huge claim actually, but I have not heard anybody talking about this particular stuff that I'm going to share with you in this video. And this is very, very important if you really want to learn Forex. So, what are we talking about? Market feedback. What is market feedback? You see, the market has its way of teaching you, right? I know there are a lot of strategies out there, right? ICT, SMC, support resistance, supply and demand, trend line. There are so many strategies out there, and they all work, which is perfectly fine, right? Which is really good. All these strategies work, but the thing is, you need to master one, right? You need to master. Don't jump from all of them. Now, while mastering one, there's a way that the market is going to teach you. Like, there's a way the market is going to help you gain experience, right? So, how do you do this? You do this like an apprentice, right? If you're learning any new skill, it's normal to lose. It's normal to spoil something, right? We all know this. We all understand that if we're learning any trade, whether carpentry, tailoring, whatever, most apprentices spoil things all the time, and it's totally normal. In fact, the boss usually accounts for this while when they are registering you, like for any apprentice stuff, right? When you are going to register yourself as an apprentice, they'll account for it, that okay, in case you lose something, this is what we're going to do, right? This is what we're going to do. So I want you to give yourself that freedom to lose, right? Stop limiting yourself from losses, because losing actually helps you. Losing helps you in a lot of ways, right? It helps you to stay longer in the game. So you need to learn how to lose properly, right? Forex trading is not gambling. So don't treat it like gambling, because if you treat it like gambling, you won't stay long in the game. And you need to stay long in the game in order to gain experience. If you do not stay long in the game, you are going to blow up your capital and then wait until you get more money to trade before coming back. And that time period, you are going to lose a lot of experience. So, how do you learn risk management, right? How do you learn how to manage that? I think I have a video about that. I'm going to drop either a link to it, or I'm going to link to it up here. Okay, so I talked about risk management there. So learn how to manage your risk consistently. Why? Because it's going to help you stay long in the game, and you want to stay long in the game. You don't want to blow your account with one trade and then go, right? So how is market feedback going to happen, right? How does this happen? I want you to always screenshot your trades. Like, most people do not say this, but the market has a way of teaching you. Like, this is beautiful. The market has a way of telling you that this trade should have been done this way. Because guess what? The market is not out there to hunt you. No. The market is not there to hunt you. Rather, the market is just an entity that moves. It doesn't even know you, right? Your job is just to follow along, tag along, and make money, right? So the market does not know you. It does not have any hard feelings against you, right? So instead of blaming the market for losses or whatever, use losses as an opportunity to learn. Use losses as an, oh my god, use losses as an opportunity to learn, right? So whenever you enter a trade, or before entering a trade, I want you to screenshot that trade, right? So screenshot the trade and make sure that you see a setup before you take a trade. Don't just take impulsive trades like, oh, I feel like it's going up, I'm gonna buy. Don't do that. Rather, wait for your setup. Whether it's ICT, SMC, whatever strategy you're using, wait for your setup to show, right? Once your setup shows up, screenshot the trade. Take your trade and screenshot it. Then after the trade, whether it's a loss or a win, screenshot it. Now, you see those candles that show up after you entered the trade, whether you bought or sold, the rest candle that showed up is the market's way of telling you that, oh, this is a way of doing it, right? So if it's a win, great. The market rewarded you. Say, okay, yeah, you saw your strategy, you followed your rules. So, well, this is perfect. But if it's a loss, see it as an opportunity to learn. Rather than blaming the market and saying, oh my god, the market's out to hunt me, they are doing this that against us. See it as an opportunity to learn. Maybe you entered too soon. Maybe you didn't enter on time, right? So always use the market feedback to learn, guys. And another thing that's going to help you stay longer in the market is to get, like, instead of using a standard account, right? Use a cent account. Like, I cannot overstress this. If you are just getting started as a forex trader, do not open a standard account. Rather, use a cent account. Here's why. If you open a standard account and you deposit $100, do you know in just a few days you can blow that money? Like in just a few days you can blow that $100. Why? Because for you, you're just getting started. You don't know how to calculate your risk. You don't know how to do. Maybe you don't even know what risk to reward ratio is, but hopefully you do, right? So while you're mastering your strategy, while you're understanding how to trade and how to trade professionally, I want you to use a cent account. Now, most brokers do not offer a cent account, but FBS does. So that's why I recommend FBS. Check the link in the description for FBS, right? They allow you to open a cent account. Now, when you use a cent account, not only are you trading with small capital, in fact, if you deposit $1, it's going to look like $100 on your trading platform, whether MT4 or MT5, right? So it's going to help you. If you blow the $100, it means that, supposing you had deposited $100, like $100 actually, you would have lost it. But this time around, you only lost $1. So use a cent account to master your strategy, right? Use a cent account. It's really important to master your strategy first. And then once you see that you're now consistent, you now understand the concept of risk to reward ratio, you now understand how to manage your risk successfully, you are now getting more information from the market, and over time you're coming out ahead in profit, then you can get the funded account with my funded FX or whatever prop firm you want to use. I'm going to drop another link to a prop firm. But now, don't allow anybody to deceive you. If you're just getting started, do not purchase a prop firm account, because the reason why 90 something percent of traders fail is because most traders are not even qualified to trade in the first place. So do not deposit money or purchase a challenge if you're just getting started. Rather, gain experience first. Use the market feedback like I just told you. Once you are coming out ahead and you are profitable, before you can deposit into a standard account or get yourself a prop firm challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you again in another video. Thanks for watching.